We got a new round of lake effect snow. It's right now sweeping across the region, and you talk about a lot of snow, a lot of action. We've seen it. North Syracuse, over 16 inches of snow in the last 24 hours. Liverpool, New York, place I used to live in, another contender with 14 inches of snow and more on the way. We've got a couple days left of this lake effect. It's going to get disrupted with a few troughs of low pressure swinging by in the mid-levels of the atmosphere, but that lake effect snow is going to be a constant through at least early Friday morning. So joining me now to discuss it is Danielle Knittle, meteorologist at National Weather Service office in Binghamton. Danielle, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. Talking to you in Binghamton, I feel like I'm back home in central New York at this point because this is the kind of weather that we are used to from back in the day.
Right, getting that lake effect, setting up in those very narrow but intense bands of snowfall and seeing those widespread reports of, anywhere from like an inch or two, but as you said, over 16 inches of snow and counting so far. It's just kind of some of the beauty and amazement of lake effect.
It's really cool. And Danielle, take me back to yesterday. It was a dynamic weather situation. Warm front lifting up. We had cold air trapped at the surface. We had some ice storm warnings, winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, lake effect snow warnings. I opened up my app and it looked like a kaleidoscope of colors for warnings just in New York State alone.
Yeah, we had temperatures initially before the lake effect got started above freezing and in some spots near that freezing mark. So as you mentioned, saw some freezing rain first. And then as we got this system really kind of wrapping up, becoming more dynamic, ushering in that colder air, that northwest flow really kicking in. And we started to see those lake effect snow showers really developing and really got into the heart of it during the overnight hours last night, continuing today. And we expect to see another intense band developing in the Syracuse area as we head into the evening. That's expected to be around for a few hours.
Yeah, what's your thinking, Danielle, on what we're going to find with these two short waves that are going through? Is it going to disrupt that lake effect snow band a little bit? What's going to happen to it?
Yeah, we're going to see things, I think, become a little bit disrupted here, especially as we go on throughout the rest of the afternoon. We're starting to see it become a little bit more disorganized, kind of lighter multi-band snow showers going on right now. But as we move forward in time, we do expect to see more of a solidified band developing again heading into this evening, about 7, 8 o'clock or so, sticking around up until I'd say, about between midnight and 2 a.m. for the Syracuse area itself. But we could be talking about the potential of 2 to 3 inch per hour snowfall rates again.
Wow.
Within that band as it continues to move north. But at least if there's any good thing with this one, if anyone's tired of it already, is the bands look to be a little more transient heading into tonight versus just going to stay in one spot for hours.
Yeah, just getting blasted. Have you guys detected any lightning out of this? Any thunder snow up there?
Not that we have heard of from this round. The previous round, we did actually get some reports of Thundersnow, but haven't had any yet. And something I guess I wouldn't be completely surprised yet if we can still kind of pull it out here, maybe tonight. And then actually with the next clipper that we've got coming in, heading into tomorrow night, that one looks to be another pretty dynamic system, bringing in some much colder air once again. So the potential may be there for some Thundersnow, some snow squalls perhaps too.
Yeah, it's not just a difference in temperatures between the lake water and the air aloft about 850. You're also looking at how much humidity is in play and if we have any kind of trough that's swinging through, right?
Right. So if we get any enhancement or so as we get those upper level features moving across the lakes, helping to increase that water content in the atmosphere. And also what we've seen too, going back to the overnight hours where we got that intense snow, especially around, the Syracuse area, getting those multi-lake band connections setting up too. And that just helps, again, kind of add to that moisture and build up those bands leading to that, intensity that we saw. So definitely all, different factors, different players and important pieces.
That's Danielle, do you like this stuff? Because I find it fascinating.
I do. Sometimes, people are like, oh, we didn't see this here and didn't see this here. It's like, just go 5 or 10 miles in probably any direction and you'll find it. So it is fascinating. And then exactly to see how things play out, it's always interesting and a lot of fun.
Yeah, it really is. And I was going to ask you this. What's your favorite thing to look for? Do you look at the 850 temperature there in the lake water? What gets you excited when you see how much of a temperature spread?
Yeah, I was going to say, obviously, the kind of baseline we look for is that 13-degree Celsius difference between water temperatures and 850 temperatures. So, as we see that increasing, it gets us excited. And then when we do start to see these low pressure areas, just wrapping up, just kind of bombing out there, that bombogenesis, if we've got that potential, that's always exciting to see too.
Yeah, and when you see the inversion lift up just a little bit like early in the season, more area to grow some snow. Awesome. Danielle, it was a pleasure to talk to you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. It's been a dynamic last couple of days, no question about it.
And more to come, Bob.
It really is. Danielle, thank you so much up there in Binghamton. National Weather Service.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Appreciate it.